Now what I want to show you is cutting with the TS55 REQ with the 2.2 millimeter curved blade through about 1 3/4 inch piece of oak hardwood. And then I'll cut with the TS55F with a 1.8 millimeter curved blade to show you how much faster that will cut. So as you can see, it's about twice as fast cutting with the TS55F with a 42 tooth 1.8 millimeter curved blade versus the TS55 REQ, which has the 2.2 48 tooth blade. Quality of the cut is still the same, as you can see with these two pieces. So no loss in quality, faster cutting capacity, longer lasting blade.